Creating successful products now requires much more than just expertise from the dev team. As technology advances, roles like product managers and product owners are essential for developing complex solutions. Hey everyone, I'm Marcela from the ClickIT team, and in this video we're discussing the product manager versus product owner comparison, breaking down what sets these two roles apart and how they can work together to achieve every company's goals. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about product owners. This is a role in the Scrum framework, a subset of the Agile methodology. He or she acts in the interest of the client and end users to ensure that the developers complete their responsibilities at every phase of the product development. Product owners cover task management and contribute to maximizing the value of the product. Now, in the product manager versus product owner discussion, what are the roles and tasks of a product manager? Number 1, fostering collaboration. They make sure that stakeholders, designers, developers, and every engineer in the project work together to deliver a great product. After all, teamwork makes the dream work, doesn't it? Second, creating and managing user stories that help developers build perfect features for end users. The PO understands customer wants and uses their stories to tell developers what to build. Product backlog management. This involves reviewing with the stakeholders and PMs the items in the backlog. Remove all user stories, replace with new ones, and arrange them based on priority. And that's not all. Product owners also serve as a communication link between the customer and the development team. This keeps everyone in the loop and facilitates the creation of flawless products. Lastly, task review. No stone is left unturned. By checking the completed work, product owners ensure that every criterion is fulfilled and the engineers develop features properly. Rest assured, if there's anything that needs attention, they will dive right in to save the day. Product manager. Now, what about the other part of the product manager versus product owner debate? The product manager is responsible for ensuring the successful delivery of a product. A small disclaimer here. Keep in mind that the roles of a product manager are not always the same. They vary depending on things like the size of the company and the type of the project. Here are the major responsibilities of product managers. Overall, the PM is a strategist. They leverage vital metrics to develop a product strategy and vision depending on product type and how the company operates. We know the market is evolving faster than ever, so another task is market research and analysis. Through customer feedback, surveys, and other forms of research, product managers get the insights they need to build remarkable products. Product road mapping will set the path to success, right? Well, in collaboration with engineers, PMs create a roadmap to determine what the company wants to achieve and the steps to reaching those goals. Feature definition and prioritization. Now, let's consider that the decisions of a PM are data-driven. So, they determine the features to include in a product through customer feedback and market trends. Another very essential task, beta testing. Here, a product manager supervises the testing process to ensure it's thoroughly implemented. And when the product is ready to see the light, we can't forget about the launch and post-launch activities. From marketing to sales, the PM ensures the product is successfully launched. Also, they're always running the front lines, ready to oversee post-launch activities like product updates, bug fixes, and ensure the product remains competitive. Product owner versus product manager differences. We've reviewed each role and its importance in product development. Now, putting them side to side, you will be able to see the difference more clearly. Here's what I mean. For starters, product owner roles are Scrum-based, while product manager roles are not. On the other hand, the product manager takes care of the entire development cycle, while product owners don't go beyond the Scrum-based development cycle. Finally, the product owner can independently make decisions about product features without supervision, while product manager role is expected to be more collaborative in their decision-making strategy. Project manager versus product owner. Why don't we add one more role to the mix? We can't forget about project managers. Even though these three positions are closely related, they have their differences. In brief, project managers focus on managing activities like planning, procurement, and execution of the project. Meanwhile, while the project manager focuses on ensuring the project success, a product owner works directly with the engineering team to ensure the product is built according to the product roadmap. If you're having trouble deciding the best product development approach, our team at ClickIT can assess your project and provide the right fit for you. Please don't hesitate to contact us and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Bye!